Good morning, guys. I am making a good old mess here. So what I'm doing is I had my vanilla latte and my cappuccino start to clump in the jars, and I am now blending it back to get it back to a powder. I added a little tiny bit of sugar to add something dry to it, but here's what I'm going to do for all of you that are trying to figure out how to get your dry products from clumping. I'm going through this whole process and I'm like, it is just way too early to deal with this. I don't know why I do this to myself, but then it made me think, you know, when you're younger and your parents tell you stuff and you're kind of like, I'm not listening. Oh, listen, because now it's so many years, I'm a whole adult and I just remembered what my mama told me. So this is what I'm going to do to take care of any moisture in my lattes, cappuccinos, any kind of powdered stuff. I'm going to go through my house now and I'm just going to throw this in all of them and save myself from this kind of headache again. Hang tight. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to get some cheesecloth. You can also use little sachet bags and just toss it in. I don't have any more. I'm going to tie you up with a little cute bowl and I'm going to put some rice in you. Alright guys, you ready? We're going to cut us a piece of the cheesecloth. It doesn't matter what size, you just want to make sure that you can double it up. Get your rice in the middle, wrap it up. A little piece of twine or string. You can tie it in a knot and cut it. Where'd my rice come out? Make a little cute little bow. There you are. This is all you need. Just going to make sure that whatever container I put it in, it's completely dry. Transfer everything back in. Grab our cute little rice bag, toss it right on in. It'll help with any powder. Also with salt, this is for anyone who doesn't know how to keep their salt from clumping and getting moist. You're going to do the same thing. You're just going to take your rice and drop it right in. When you have it in your salt shaker, the rice is too big to fit through the holes, and that is it. So get your little rice bags together. They're so cute. I don't mind looking at them. These are a great touch if you own a coffee shop, smoothie shop, and you have an issue with moisture getting in the containers. This is just a cute, super and effective idea and resolution. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm TMZ Breedlove. I'm just a neighbor helping a neighbor and a Jane of all trades. I also post just some personal videos every now and again. See you guys on the other side.